Hey, what's good, people? It's V-Does Tech. Now, look, I know it's peak Z Fold 7 season, but when we start a case journey, it is for as long as I have that device. And I think you're going to want to check out these cases for the S25 Ultra. Now, it's hard to call things perfect nowadays, but I think one of these are pretty close. Now, huge shout out to Caudabe for sending these out to the channel for review. No money was involved. They had no input on the making of this video. Now, we are checking out the Caudabe Sheath in Paragon. I've been using these for about 2 weeks now. I sound like the big time YouTubers. I've been using these for the last 2 weeks, but yo, these cases are absolutely legit. And like I said, been using them for 2 weeks. I threw them back in the box to shine them up so you could get the unboxing experience. We are going to start with the Paragon. Now, the Paragon is coming in at $50. I think it's available in 3 colors. You do have the Midnight, the Eucalyptus, and I think it is the Dusk. I'm pretty sure those are the 3 colors available for the Paragon. Let's dive in and check these out. Quick tour around the box. You can see a whole lot of detail goes into these boxes. Really sad that these boxes are more of a unboxing experience than the phones we got. Doesn't even compare to how the S25 Ultra came. But first up, let's check out the Midnight. Now, this is once again the Paragon. See that unboxing? Go ahead and flip it over. You got all the Caudabe is looking like a word search on the back. Flip that one open. And like I said, this is the Midnight. So you go ahead and peel that out. You have a little card description in here if you want to scan the QR code and go to their website. 1 year warranty, hassle-free, 30 days returns and exchanges, and they guarantee to reply within 1 business day. Relax, you're covered. That is dope to hear. And then we have the Paragon Eucalyptus. Got that on the first try. But check this out. On the inside, that is absolutely gorgeous. Flip it open, and there's the case right there. Same thing on the inside. 1 year warranty, 30-day returns and exchanges. Paper-based packaging. You have the socials down there at the bottom. And then you have, look at the inside of the box. That's so cool. It's the same as the back side of the box also. So you go ahead and check this out. It goes over what it's inspired by. This is their Elemental collection. You got the little logo on the front. That's nice. And like I said, here is the black, or I believe it's the Midnight and the Eucalyptus. Now, the Paragon series is going to be more of your flashier cases. Flashier is a word, right? Well, even if it's not, it's the word for today. So flip them both over. You can see on this one, you have the Caudabe logo with the fiber on the inside. And yes, it is MagSafe. And then on this one, you have the Eucalyptus logo on the inside. But this time, the MagSafe logo is built into the Elemental collection design, so that's really nice to see. On the inside, you can see it does have drop protection, so this is their shock light material, so it is supposed to absorb impact. So both of these cases are going to be like your more slim minimalist type cases. So for the Eucalyptus one, let's go ahead and throw it on. In the S25 Ultra, throw that on. Boom, boom. And look at that. You can see one thing a lot of people hate is to see that silver border going around the case. If you see right away, there is nothing showing at all. It is all case, no phone detected. That also means you have lip going around the front. Quick tour around the case. You have your mic cutout at the top. Left side, nothing, just pure grip. Absolutely love the grip of this case. You have your S Pen cutout. S Pen comes in and out with no issues at all. Your speaker cutout, your Type-C, your mic. It's a nice wide Type-C port, so you won't have any issues getting your cables in and out. Too easy, gonna keep it moving. And then you have the little Caudabe logo right there. Absolutely love to see that. It's not taking up the whole back or no extra branding all over the case. That is beautiful. And then you have your buttons. You have your power button and you have your volume up, volume down. Now, these buttons are super sensitive. They're really tactile, nice and clicky. Let's see if you can hear it. The buttons are really tactile. They're also aluminum buttons that, get this, they can be replaced. So we do have extra buttons over here. I'll show you how easy it is to take them in and out later. And on the back, you can see my absolute favorite individual camera cutouts. You don't have no big ugly cutouts. There's not that weird huge rectangle cutout. There's not that weird slanted angle cutout. Individual camera cutouts, and they are slightly recessed in there, so you are getting camera protection. And like I said, you might have a few fingerprints here and there throughout the day, but you really don't have to worry about too many fingerprints with this case. And of course, we have to test the MagSafe. So it does have MagSafe charging. Throw it on. Now, because of how smooth and slick the MagSafe is, I was worried that like when I was driving, it might just like slide right off. Never happened. No issues ever. And like I said, it is charging up, so you can see the MagSafe does work without any issues. Really nice case. Let's go ahead and try out some more MagSafe accessories. You have your ring. Go ahead and throw it on right there. And even though, like I said, this is a slicker back material, it does take some force that you are not going to be doing for it to come off. So that really strong MagSafe. Let's go ahead and try out a MagSafe wallet. Just like that, you can see it is not coming off. You are not going to be doing this with your phone or your MagSafe accessories, anything like this. So really nice and strong magnet abilities. And then one more time, you have your MagSafe charger. And unlike the MagSafe that's on the Z Fold 7, throw it on, and it is charging up, and you don't have to worry about it being crooked or anything like that. But this one does slide off because this is more of a slippery material along with this. So this one will come off, but if you're just holding it normal, you're not going to have to worry about it coming off in any way. So like I said, between the Paragon and the Sheath, these are going to be your more flashier ones. If you want like a bright color or something that's a little that stands out more than the other cases, these are the ones you might want to go with. And let me show you how tight the case is to the phone. Like I said, it is a solid fit. It takes real force and effort to get these cases off. Let's go ahead and throw on the Midnight, and there it is. Absolutely love this one. Now, I like my cases to more blend in. I wear darker colors, so of course I've been rocking the Midnight colors. Absolutely love this one. Now, the black one is going to show a little bit more fingerprints than the Eucalyptus, but once again, it's only going to be maybe 1 or 2 wipe downs throughout the whole day. Quick tour once again. Might cut out, grippy material on both the left and right side. S Pen comes in and out with no issues at all. Speaker, Type C, your mic, once again, the logo on the right side. All the grippy material, your buttons. Like I said, these are swappable, so I'll maybe throw up some B-roll, show you how to swap them out, and individual camera cutouts. Really, really like these. It has lip going all around. The edges of the case also, they're more like tampered, so they go with your finger. So it's not like that weird drop off. They're more slanted towards the phone screen, so it's more of a natural feeling when you swipe. Yo, Caudabe know what they're doing. And these are just the Paragon. Let me show you my favorite case. I'm gonna be doing best cases for the S25 Ultra like really soon, and yeah, look forward to these. So like I said, these are the Paragon series. Let's throw those to the side for right now. Now we have the Sheath. We have the Dusk in the black. Once again, nice presentation around the box. Let's go ahead and slide these out. Now once again, you got that amazing crossword search on the back. Once you open it up, look at that. And now, if you know anything about my favorite type of cases, I love grip cases. This case is 100% grip right here. Once again, you have their contact information at the top. They're not hiding behind anything. You have the little card right here, Minimalist Perfection. Let's go ahead and check out the Sheath Black. Now, no lies, this is the one I have been using the most. This case is ridiculous. Like I said, I've been using these cases the heaviest for about 2 weeks now. There is no signs of me using these at all. I didn't even have to say I've been using them. I could have just threw them back in the box and you would have never known. You can't even tell that they've been used for like the last 2 weeks. So we have the dusk and the black. Once again, flip them over. You have the microfiber inside. You have the Caudabe logo with the MagSafe inside. Genuine Caudabe product. And also this has the same shock light material as well, so you do have the protection around the corners on the inside of the case. Go ahead and throw the phone in right there, turn the flashlight off. Quick tour. You have your mic cutouts at the top, nothing on the left side. Your S Pen, no issues. You have your speaker, your Type-C, your mic. Right here you have your power buttons and your volume buttons. The logo on here is at the bottom. You can barely see it. Not sure if it's really showing up on the black. So let's check it out on the blue. You can see there's the logo on the bottom. So on the Paragon, the logo is at the bottom. And on the Sheath, the logo is at the bottom on the back. But yeah, individual camera cutouts. Absolutely love the texture of this case. If you've used the, what is it, the Rinky Onyx, it feels very close to that case, but much better. Ooh, the top cases for the S25 Ultra is gonna be a tough one. I absolutely love these cases. Once again, let's go ahead and check out some MagSafe accessories, throw it on. Now this grip does hold up much better than the Paragon, so it all depends on what type of MagSafe accessories you're using. And like you've seen, the phone is hitting the table, and I have no fear because you do have the lip going around, so you can very comfortably have a tempered glass screen protector on here with no issues at all. Throw on your MagSafe accessories, it starts charging up with no issues at all. Once again, you are getting sleepy. You are getting sleepy. The accessories are really strong. Let's go ahead and throw on the MagSafe wallet. You're not going to have any issues with your MagSafe accessories. Really miss this because, like I said, been reviewing Z Fold 7 cases. Been having a real issue with MagSafe accessories. You know, hopefully Caudabe, they come out and make some cases for Z Fold 7. Wink, wink, hint, hint. But I absolutely love these cases. Now, both of these cases are top tier, but between the Paragon and the Sheath, I'm just saying, I'm going the Sheath all day. The Sheath comes in at $48. The Paragon comes in at $50. Absolutely love this case right here. Now, let me show you the buttons. Like I said, these all have replaceable buttons. So here we have the Ember, Cobalt, and Scarlet. So you know, maybe you don't know, but let me tell you, I absolutely love the black and red color wave. So let's go ahead and check out. Let's see what they look like exactly.
So here we have the Ember. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, they're so small. That's definitely not what she said. All right, so we have the Ember right there.
To me, that looks sort of like a burnt orangish. So, you know, like flames. And then over here,
we have the Scarlet. Now, the Scarlet are the ones that I'm going to throw on instantly. So, crack that open. Oh yeah, these are going on ASAP. Like I said, these are the Scarlet.
You got the Scarlet Witch right here. Let me not get them mixed up. And then we have
the Cobalt. So let's go ahead and open that up. The Cobalt Blue. And 1, 2, 3. And there you can see, there's how the blue looks.
So I already said I'm going straight for that black and red combo. So let's go ahead and push out the power button. And you can see it comes out really easy. So we'll take out a power button and a volume button. I'm going to leave one black in just to see how it looks. But here's the power button right here. You go ahead and push that through. Let's see. Boom, boom. Let's see, did I get it all the way in? I do believe it's all the way in. And then we'll do one volume button. Push that all the way through. And just like that, you can see, there it is right there. So let's go ahead and throw the case on. And once again, the buttons are really tactile, if you can hear it. Absolutely love how that looks. You can make your own color waves however you want. I'll probably end up, let's go ahead and let's take, you know what? Let's just take out one of the volume buttons, slap in that red one right there. So boom, just like that. You can see over here, you got the red volume up, black volume down, red power button on the sheath. So if you go ahead and put that one into the Paragon, boom, boom. And just like that, once again, the buttons are very tactile. Let's see if you can hear it. Buttons are nice and clicky. You can mix and match in whatever way you want. Really love that. Like I said, these are going to be some top contenders when it comes to my favorite cases for the S25 Ultra. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which one are you going for? Like I said, this one might be the GOAT. Stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next one. This is V-Does Tech. Later.